Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting the essentials and acting now. Have the original email or phone, any linked social accounts, and the in-game user ID ready. Once done, gather proof like purchase receipts, transaction ID, and approximate dates of activity to validate ownership. Make sure you note device model, typical IP region, and last login timestamps to strengthen your claim. Don't delay. Starting with this evidence reduces back and forth and speeds the recovery process. Now submit your verification through the official support channel and complete the form precisely. Attach scanned receipts and screenshots. Explain the timeline clearly: when you created the account, when you noticed problems, and any suspicious changes. Once submitted, include specific device and IP notes and say whether two-factor or linked accounts were removed. Make sure to use clear file names and high-resolution images so reviewers can confirm details quickly. This reduces requests for repeated evidence and shortens resolution time. Finish by tracking the ticket ID and checking status after 48 to 72 hours. Stay concise and polite in follow-ups. If your request is denied, re-evaluate your evidence, correct omissions, and escalate via support chat or official social channels while referencing the ticket. Once access is restored, immediately change passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and remove unknown devices. Troubleshooting tip: if you repeatedly get generic denials, compile a single concise evidence packet and request escalation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.